All right, prime time. This is the video to find the winner of our Alabama signed Coach Boom helmet that we opened last night. We'll check the time, July 11th at 10:42 a.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got right there, July 11th at 10:42 a.m. There is the list of our 8 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Andrew. Spot 2 is our winner. So, Andrew, you win the Coach Boom helmet. If I don't have your shipping info, please get that over to me, and I will get that out for you today. So there is our verification code and our timestamp once again, July 11th at 10:43 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.